Hello, what is good? So, what I'm going to be talking about, discussing about, going into full details about, and what I have in front of me is the Vans gluten-free bar roasted veggie crackers. And these are crackers baked with oats, brown rice, millet, quinoa, and amaranth. There we go. And you can see right here in big, bold, red letters, gluten-free. And then again down here, certified gluten-free and non-GMO Project. 16G. So, these crackers are not only healthy, but they are good. They don't have a strong taste to it. I mean, you can tell that this product is really healthy just based on what it tastes like. But anyway, Vans have different other varieties of foods too, but with all of them most likely. I don't really know too much of other products. I just know that I love their crackers. One of the things that you don't have to worry about, you don't have to worry about GMOs, preservatives, or artificial flavors. Like, you have like healthy eating, delicious crackers or whatever. What also it has with it has like roasted bell peppers and crunchy carrots, and you have that nutritious feeling after when you get to eating with them. It said it was 12 crackers, but I don't know if it's 12 or not. I don't know. Okay, when I'm eating them, I just eat them. But with these crackers, you can try them like with cheese or dipped in hummus, or you can like eat them by itself. And also, there's like different recipes and stuff that you can try with these crackers. Like, you can try the avocado and sun-dried tomato crackers. You will have these crackers, but you'll just have like avocado and like a sun-dried tomato, and you can sprinkle it off with some feta cheese. Another recipe that you can possibly try with this cracker is the cream cheese and bell pepper crackers. And again, it's the same type of crackers, but they're just naming it differently because of the ingredients that's going on top of the crackers. You spread cream cheese onto the cracker and then top each cracker with diced bell peppers. Or you can try the tomato basil crackers, and with one basil leaf, sprinkle mozzarella cheese on the base on top with 3 silver cherry tomatoes. So they have different variety of recipes that you can also look up as well. Or like me, you can just eat them out of the box. On the back, because I'm going to definitely show what the cracker looked like as well. And then they just have like a little story about, when, just a little summary of how it kind of like all started and everything else too. And then there's they are the ones that make waffles. Ooh, and those waffles are good. The blueberry ones, I accidentally picked up the multi-grain, but thanks to my mom, she was like, those aren't the blueberry kind. Hurry up and snatch those blueberry kind. Oh my gosh, those are so good. I'm sorry if I got a little off topic. I just wanted to say their blueberry waffles are amazing. Anyway, and you can see what it's made without. For instance, it's dairy-free, corn-free, especially with people that may be sensitive due to what they eat and how it may like break them out and stuff like that. Like, I don't know if I said in previous videos, but I did say I was going to try to stay away from dairy a little bit, try to experiment if my face will clear up some, so I don't have to take medication all the time. But back on subject, it's corn-free. Again, like I was saying, there's no artificial flavors or colors, cholesterol-free, and 0 trans fat. And again, it's letting you know, like, hey, this is gluten-free. Let's say it one more time. It's gluten-free. So, I like it. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love That what I love. Let me just clear that up. I do love these crackers. And then the ingredients are right here. And then you see the calories. No, not bad. Mm-mm. And no trans fat. Okay, getting somewhere with your places. So these are what the crackers look like. Let me try to. It comes in like a little bag, like inside the box. Like you don't just open the box. I mean, to keep it fresh, whatever. But this is what the cracker looks like. So it don't really leave a lot of product on your hand, as you can see, like with a lot of other ones. It leaves a little bit, but it's not like a lot. And this is what the cracker looks like. All of them come in this shape. If not, they're probably broken up or smashed or cracked or whatever, if that makes sense. But they all come in like these little square shapes. And this is the color. This is exactly the color that it comes in. See, like it look like it's getting ready to crack right there. But yeah, it's a good size. That's how big it is. So yeah. Again, these are the Vans gluten-free fire roasted veggie crackers. Go ahead and get the song.